Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I introduced a free AI tool that made it super easy to create amazing 2D animations. In this video, I'm going to show you another feature of this AI, and along with that, I'll share a cool idea for your short videos. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start an awesome channel and learn how to make videos too. So stick with me. Most of you are probably familiar with whiteboard-style videos. These videos have a simple yet effective way of grabbing the viewer's attention. All you need is some interesting content to make them. First, let me show you the niche I've found for this type of video. Check out this channel. It's a science channel with super interesting content. As you can see, their videos have tons of views and subscribers. Let's watch a bit of one of their videos together.
When a honeybee stings a human, they actually get stuck for a while and can't leave. And this is because their stinger is barbed, which means it can't retract once it's lodged into something. But once the bee finally pulls away...
Pretty cool, right? I've seen other channels like this too. Now, let's take a look at how much money this channel is making. It's unbelievable. Their minimum monthly income is around $500,000. So we can definitely count this as a successful niche. Now, I want to draw some conclusions based on YouTube's rules. Since scientific facts can't be changed and educational content is straightforward, we can use content from channels like this as a source. So, the content from these types of channels can be our reference material. To create a video, check out the topics of the short videos on these channels. You can rewrite any topic in your own style and create a video with your unique twist. This approach is totally within YouTube's rules, so you can do this without worrying. Now, let's make one of these videos together. First, you need to modify the script of the video. You can use the video's subtitles to get a more accurate text. Then, we'll jump into ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite the text in a different style for us. Now that we have the text, let's find some images to go with it. You can gather these images from various sources like Canva, Leonardo, FreePic, or any other site that offers free images. After that, we need to prepare the sound of the video. Using ElevenLab, you can easily produce your favorite sound. Once you have your images ready, we'll move on to making the animation. In my previous video, I introduced you to Mango AI. With this tool, you could easily create 2D animations. You can watch that video from the link above. But today, we're going to create a whiteboard animation. To do that, head over to the Mango Animated website, click on Download, and download the Whiteboard Animation Maker. After installing the software, we can start creating the animation. You can choose one of the default options or start a new project. I'll select New Empty Project. Here, you pick the image size. I'm going with 9:16, which is perfect for short videos. In the timeline bar, there are 3 sections: Action, Camera, and Background. Click the plus on background and select one of them. You can choose any image or color for your background, or even add your own image. I'm picking this color to match my animation. You can remove the previous background by right-clicking and selecting Delete Background. Now, let's add the voiceover we prepared. You can split your voice recording into segments and create an image for each part. Then, we'll add the images to the software and adjust their size. I've placed 2 images per scene and left the middle section for adding text. You can add different effects to each image from the Style section. Right-click on the action bar, select Add Action, and choose a transition effect for moving to the next scene. Now, all we need to do is arrange all the images in order. Finally, we'll export the video. From the top bar, select Publish. The first time you use this software, you'll be prompted to sign in with your email. After signing in, click Publish again and select Video. Here, you can choose your final video settings and then hit Publish. Now, we need to add subtitles to the video. While you can create subtitles within this software, I prefer using CapCut because it has more features and better effects. So, import the video into CapCut. From the text section, select Auto Caption to generate subtitles automatically. You can even set the language of the subtitles here. Then choose a style from the effects panel and place the text in the center. Finally, export the completed video. Let's watch the video together.
When a honeybee stings a person, it becomes temporarily trapped and unable to escape. This is due to its barbed stinger, which cannot retract once it has pierced the skin. As the bee struggles to pull away, its internal organs are torn out because the stinger remains embedded in the skin. This catastrophic injury leads to the bee's death, as it loses vital parts of its body.
I think this will turn out to be a pretty cool idea. I really liked it and I hope you did too. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. This channel is all about providing new ideas to kickstart your YouTube earnings. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.